I am Varun Kumar, and now we are going to discuss how to insert tables in Microsoft Word document. Introduction. A table is a grid of cells arranged in rows and columns. Tables can be customized and are useful for various tasks such as presenting text information and numerical data. In this lesson, you will learn how to convert text to a table, apply table style, format tables, and create blank table. As you can see in this figure, there is a lots of cell, and however we are selecting a cell, that cell will appear in our documents. We are going to see that how we are inserting a table in Microsoft Word. To create tables using the Insert Table dialog box, click Table on the menu bar, select Insert and then Table from the cascading menu. The Insert Table dialog box appears. Determine the number of columns and rows you need in your table. You can add more later, but save yourself some work. You can always add rows and by pressing Tab at the end of rows. To create a table as wide as your page, leave the fixed column width setting on auto. Click OK. A table is inserted in your documents. Insert table dialog box. Another automated way to create a quick table is by using the Insert Table button on the standard toolbar. As you can see in this figure, when we click on the Insert Table, that new dialog box will appear. In this, we have to write down the number of column, number of rows, and we have to auto fix behavior. We have to set also fixed column width, auto fit to content, auto fit to window, and we have to click OK. And thus, we are able to create an inserted table in our Microsoft Word document. Resize a table. The following step will help you resize a table available in a Word document. Step 1. Bring your mouse pointer over the table which you want to resize. As soon as you bring your mouse pointer inside the table, a small cross icon will appear at the top left corner and a small resize icon will appear at the bottom right corner of the table as shown below. As you can see in this picture, when we insert a table, there is a plus sign in upper part and there is a resize icon in lower right part, and thus we can increase the size of table in our Microsoft document with using a plus sign and resizing icon. Step 2. Bring the mouse pointer over the resize icon till it changes to a dialog double-sided arrow, and this is the time when you need to press the left mouse button and keep holding the button while resizing the table. Drag the table up to make it shorter or down to make it larger. You can drag the table diagonally to simultaneously change both the width and height of the table. As you can see in this figure, we have to click on the corner of the table and we have to drag the mouse. When we drag the mouse with clicking, then we are able to increase or decrease the size of the table. If we want to increase the length as well as breadth of the table, we have to put the mouse pointer at the corner of the table and drag the mouse. When we drag the mouse, the length and breadth both increase simultaneously. Add rows or columns in a table in Word. You can use the Insert command in a Layout tab to manage the rows and columns in tables. Click where you want in your table to add a row or column and then click the Layout tab. This is a tab next to the Table Design tab on the ribbon. To add rows, click Insert above or click Insert below, and to add column, click Insert left or click Insert right. As you can see in this figure, all options are available: Insert above, Insert below, Insert left, Insert right. To add a row at the end of table, click the last cell of the last row and then press the tab key, and automatically a new row is added in the table.